Two people start with the same $50,000 20 years later. Both are wealthy, but one has traded their entire life to get there. And the most shocking part is, the person you think would win doesn't win the way you expect. Imagine two people, Jake and Marcus. Same age, same income, same savings, $50,000, but they choose two completely different paths. Jake buys a rental property. Marcus invests in the stock market. One chooses a tangible asset. One chooses numbers on a screen. And from day one, Jake feels like he is winning. Jake has a house, a tenant rent income, $1,800 per month. He looks at the number profit of $470 per month. He thinks I've hacked the system. Meanwhile, Marcus only has an investment confirmation email. No one is impressed. No one asks. No one cares. But this is where most people make a mistake. They evaluate investments based on feelings, not mathematics. 3 years pass. Jake collects nearly $65,000 in rent. Sounds great. Right. But then reality shows up. Taxes, $3,000 per year. Insurance, $1,500 per year. Water heater repair, $1,200. Roof, $2,800. One vacant month lose $1,800. And not to mention a call at 10 p.m. Weekend spent fixing things unpredictable stress. The real result? Only about $2,000 to $4,000 in actual profit. Meanwhile, Marcus does nothing. No calls. No repairs. No stress. His account around $76,000 real estate makes you feel rich. Stocks make you become rich. But don't rush. Jake has something Marcus does not have. Leverage with $50,000, Jake controls a $250,000 asset. If housing prices go up, Jake wins big. What about Marcus? No leverage. Only one thing, compound interest. At first, slow. Very slow. But then, it starts to accelerate. After 10 years, Jake around $170,000 to $180,000 in equity. Marcus around $165,000 to $180,000 portfolio. Almost the same, but the cost is completely different. Jake, hundreds of hours as a landlord. Hundreds of thousands in debt. Concentrated risk, Marcus. Does nothing. No debt. No sleepless nights. This is the moment you start asking, what kind of wealth is real wealth? 20 years pass. Jake assets around $400,000 to $500,000 has rental cash flow. But 20 years of repairs, 20 years of management, 20 years of stress, Marcus portfolio around $420,000 to $460,000. If he adds another $200 per month, it could reach $600,000 plus. Two people reach the same destination, but live two completely different lives. There is no best investment. There is only how you play, what you can, and how you want to live your life. Real estate leverage, tax advantage, time-consuming, stressful stocks, simple, automated, highly liquid volatile, requires discipline. The biggest mistake is not choosing wrong. It is not calculating the real cost. Time, effort, stress, risk. Next time someone says Juppelation, ask them one. Juppel always wins, or stocks always win. Ask them one simple question. Have you calculated everything?